Okay, it's 3:35 Monday afternoon. I'm finally getting to post the clinical schedule. I apologize for its delay, but since I lost all those sites on Friday, it's taken me the weekend and today to try to get those sites replaced. Because of that, the second rotation schedule will not be posted for a few weeks. I hope to have that out in 3 to 4 weeks. I know that doesn't make anyone happy, but the way clinical sites are changing and closing, it's just going to be less chaotic if I hold out for just a little bit. So for that reason, you can expect, hopefully, fingers crossed, rotation 2 schedules to be posted by the end of September. You won't start those until the third week of October, so that should give you some time to plan. It will be after fall break. I was able to go ahead and post for both rotations your bioterrorism simulation groups. Just remember to look back at how you prepare for that day, but these are the days that you were assigned to be there. We've had to reduce the number of people in those groups as well because it will be done a little bit differently this semester. Here are your health services group. So for that reason, rotation 2, you will find your names in groups 3 and groups 4. So you will at least know that you're with them with health services as your clinical rotation. And then finally, well, it took me somewhere I didn't want to go. So if you'll give me just a minute, I'll get back there. This is the entire schedule for both rotations. There's a key at the very top that lets you see how to interpret all the different sites, all their abbreviations, and what all these things mean. Your dates are at the top of where you're expected to be. First rotations in blue and white, second rotations in gold and white. And as you see, second rotation is not completed. But just especially except for those who are in health services, and your bioterrorism days are on there. So as I said, I will get the rest of the schedule out as soon as I possibly can. For instance, Brittany Johnson here, you're down for cardiac rehab. Cardiac rehab's closed, and that site was shut to me as of Friday, so I am hoping that site will be reopened, but don't rely on that, okay? But that's just an example of where I already had you scheduled, and I'm having to take those days back away and try to find a different site for you. So look over this. Please get your questions all ready for when we have our Q&A Zoom Tuesday evening. Thank you.